this is so pretty. Oh, this is so pretty.
Just put a little dip with it. Now roll those hips with it. Pop it, push it, rock it, roll it. Can't control it. I come hold it.
Listen. I'm about to step out. I'm about to step out. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by NadulaHair. They sent me a unit to try for you guys. It is also Sip and Slay, and your girl got her wine today. Yes, hello. Y'all know I tried the peach tea wine last week or the week before that. This is the lemonade one. I've been sipping. Let me get some water too. Hold up. Chase her. I'm gonna go ahead and nurse that while y'all watch me style this wig, because this glueless joint right here, okay, Nadula. Okay, Nadula. This is my new favorite color. I've been waiting. So before we get into all this, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Y'all, so like I said, this unit comes to us from NadulaHair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. I was really excited about this one, y'all, because I have been asking brands, my little fast fashion buddies, to create me a wig of this color. I wanted the natural color wig with the blonde highlights, and everyone kept telling me, oh, we can't do that, it doesn't come out right. And here comes Nadula with the we got you, sis. So I'm really excited about this one. I don't think I need to tint the lace. The lace already has like a light brown tint to it, so I'm not gonna tint this right out the pack. I'm gonna wait till the end and use my contour. The way I wanna style this wig is big fluffy curls. I don't know if it's gonna actually work out because I'm pretty sure this is a jerry curly texture, so that means the curls are a little bit looser than my fave kinky curly texture. I'm not gonna put in my wig grip yet. I'm gonna see how it feels after I cut my lace off. Sometimes the wig grip can make the unit too tight, especially for my big old head. 23 gang gang. How I have the elastic band right now is pretty loose, but I'm gonna leave it how it is until I cut the lace and style the wig up. Let me pin it up really quick. I did co-wash this unit with my wig shampoo. If you wanna see how I wash my wigs, I do have a wash wig playlist on my channel. I use wig shampoo in one video and dish soap in another, okay? So pick your poison. I'm gonna cut off my ear tabs. I don't think I need to cut off any hair because of how the ear tabs are fitting on my ear. They're pretty much right over it. I also linked a video showing how to cut ear tabs off. I'm gonna cut this in 3. It's just easier for me to cut the lace off this way. If you can just cut it straight across, then by all means do what you gotta do. Cut that lace off using my razor. Let's go ahead and get our hairline together. I'm gonna use my Nairobi around the hairline. This is what I use to mold my hairline down. I know I get a lot of people from TikTok and Instagram to my YouTube who may not be used to watching me install my wigs. This is just to mold the hairline. Sometimes it will keep it in place, but it's not a strong hold. Like if you just lift it, it's gonna lift, all right? It's more of a mold around your hairline. For the curly wigs, I do swirl my baby hairs around, or adult hairs, whatever you want to call them, I don't care. But I do swirl them around to give me that natural look in the front, because more than likely I will not have a defined part. I'll just have it kind of falling towards my face. I want the big volume all around here. That's what I'm going for today. They did send me a band, so let me just put this on. I feel like this is too far back, but oh well. Okay, just like that. So hair in the middle. I did get some shedding during the co-washing process, but not a lot, surprisingly. I'm just using my Felicia Leatherwood brush to comb all this out. I will probably have some more shedding as I'm doing this, mainly because the hair is drying down. Clippity clip clip. I'm using my Nairobi mousse again, all over the hair. Work it in, up under, work that in. Make sure you get your ends, because I want my ends to be defined, and I want the rest of the hair to be defined and fluffy. This brush right here is in my Amazon store, but it is sold out. I did link 2 other brushes similar to this one that you guys can try if you want to. I also just ordered them for myself so I can try them and compare them to the Felicia brush in case you cannot get the Felicia brush for yourself. But this is one of my favorite brushes to use on my curly wigs. You can also use a Denman brush. I used to think it was called a denim brush. But a Denman brush, is that correct? Just go in behind it and finger coil like I'm about to do in a second. The mousse in this brush just clumps so pretty. All right, finger coils to the root, hold it a little bit, pinch it, bring it down, There we go. Make sure all my curls are good. Now I may get some tangling or snags when I'm doing this. Take your time if you need to. Uh-oh, this one's a little frizzy. You can put a little extra mousse on this one. You can definitely tell when you're looking at the hair if something's gonna be frizzy or not based on how it's curling. So just add a little extra mousse if you need to. Scrunch the hair up like that. Let me do this side really quick. Mousse all over. I use a lot of mousse on this side. Oops, keep on clumping. I feel like this is gonna be real cute. I mean, you already saw it in the beginning, but I can just tell it's gonna be real cute. I scrunch that up, take my clips, pin it back, do my makeup, and then we'll diffuse the hair and come back and fluff it and see how she looking. Okay, so the hair is mostly dry. I still have some dampness in there, but I'm gonna finish it out with a blow dry right after I fluff this hair up with my pick. From the root, as always, again, I want the hair to kind of move this way. Kind of how I styled the Beauty Forever curly joint. That's kind of the look that I'm going for, but I know it's not gonna be exactly the same because this one has longer layers and it's a different curl pattern, but that's the look that I'm going for. So if Nadula wants to do a kinky curly unit in this exact color, that'll be fantastic, okay? I don't want to fluff it too much because it'll loosen up the curls a little bit more than I want. Get under here, fluff it like this. I do feel like after it's dried all the way down, it'll be a little bit bigger. So I took my diffuser off the blow dry and I'm gonna use it on cool and high and blow dry through this hair to dry down the rest of it. I knew it. Now I can pick it a little bit more. Oh, I really want this in a kinky curly. I want a kinky curly. I just know it'll be so pretty, y'all. So, so pretty. So I'm just fluffing the hair. As it dries down, it's getting bigger and bigger, which I love. I don't know what density this is. It looks like 180, but you know, I could be wrong. So let's find out together. Yeah, it's 180. So Nadula, real quick, if this is 180 on me, this is what I expect everyone to get. Now I know the placement of the blonde may be a little different, but the curl and the density and the texture and the length better be the same. And the elastic band. Make sure everybody has one, okay? Thank you. Before I finish up this look, let me just take off the elastic band really quick. Getting a little toasty in here. Take that off. I didn't pluck that hairline at all and it's looking pretty good. How it's fitting on me, I have some room in here. So I could definitely wear my my wig grip. So I'm gonna do that. Big head gang gang she is. Ooh, this is so pretty. Oh, this is so pretty. Is this my new favorite? She is ashy now, so I need to take my, let me see if my foundation will kind of cover that. It looks good under the lights, but I know when I step outside, she's gonna be real ashy. So let me just stop faking and put the contour on there. Use your makeup contour or your lace spray, whatever you gotta use, okay? Tap it real easy around my forehead like this. Again, I didn't do no plucking on this wig. This is how it came. My glasses over the lace. Bring these down. If this was a kinky curly, it would definitely be tighter up in this area to give me a little bit more lift. I could probably cut this into the shape that I want, but I haven't cut a curly wig in a while and I don't really want to get back into that just yet. That's how we looking. Lace is ashy over there, but it doesn't matter because it won't be down. So shh, quiet. I have found my new color. Yeah. Do y'all see this? Are we on the same page or not? This looks Nadula, yes, yes, thank you. It's already so pretty in the Jerry curly, but it is a lot looser, so you will need to fluff it up a lot. This hair will need to dry down all the way in order to get it like this. 180% density should do this if the hair is dried down all the way. You just gotta fluff it and pull it and pick through it and bring it all to the front and and you'll have the fullness like this, all to the back. That's how she looking, okay? Still full. You can still see that fullness up in here. But I like my wigs all to the front. I don't care how it looks in the back because y'all see me like this, okay? So that's how I like my wigs to look. Y'all, I am hot and hot. Hello? Now you can definitely see right here how I fluff the unit. It does get frizzy if you fluff it too much. Obviously I wanted really big hair. If you want a more tame look, don't fluff it as much. Now y'all know I consider Nadula to be a fast fashion brand, but this one right here, from the lace to the pre-pluckness to the hair texture to the color, this is gorgeous. So I'm not mad at the price point for this wig at all, but I do got a coupon code. Y'all know I got you every single time. So make sure you use that coupon code to check this wig out for yourself, or just call Daddy Papa. I mean, it's been a minute. It's time. But that's all I got, y'all. I want y'all to go ahead and hop on this joint really quick. I feel like this is gonna be the color of the season. I'm saying it now, especially for the curly wigs. Yeah. Shout out one more time to NadulaHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.